name is Kerrie Heasley and I am a teacher, examiner and facilitator with the Leinster School of Music and Drama. And I'm delighted to be here this afternoon talking to you on behalf of the LSMD and Griffith College about the options we have available to secondary schools. I'm going to start talking first of all a little bit about the history of the Leinster School. The Leinster School was established in 1904 by Mr. Samuel Myerscough to train teachers to teach music to a higher standard. And in the 1940s, they saw the importance of speech and drama and developed a syllabus in response to this. And by the 1950s, the school was examining over 3,000 students throughout the country. The numbers continued to increase through the decades, and we now have over 2,000 teachers nationwide. In 1998, the school moved from the city centre to its current location in Griffith College on the South Circular Road in Dublin. And in celebration of the school's centenary in 2004, the Leinster School of Music and Drama Excellence Awards were launched. This is a national competition open to all participating students in the LSMD grade exams, where the winner receives a trophy and a cheque in recognition of their achievements. And the prize winners also get to perform at the LSMD Excellent Awards at the Griffith College Auditorium each year. In 2010, the LSMD launched a higher diploma in arts in drama education at QQI level 8. This is the first and only higher diploma in the country with a specific focus on drama education. And the school is going from strength to strength, examining over 15,000 students annually from introductory grade all the way to licentiate diploma. So the aim of the LSMD speech, drama and communication syllabus is to develop the students' understanding of poetry, prose, drama, mime and improvisation, and to develop the voice and introduce students to the theory of good speech. Our syllabus is designed to produce a student who is confident, creative, and an effective communicator. And our teachers are trained in the following areas: speech and drama, effective communication, public speaking, choral verse speaking, solo acting, duologues, and group drama. Our teachers can offer workshops, both a one-day workshop as well as a fixed-term workshop. And I'm going to talk a little bit further in depth about these now with you, starting with our one-day workshops. The focus of the team building workshop will be to enhance team ethic among students. This will be achieved through drama games, role play, acting exercises, which enable participants to communicate with confidence. And the main outcome of these sessions will be for participants to engage more effectively in school situations, and the confidence gained from these workshops can be applied within the school environment. Students will work on eye contact, gesture, posture, body language, and vocal and physical communication. And our team building sessions will offer your students a unique experience while ensuring that they are encouraged to work together more effectively, work towards a common goal, build trust within the group, and very importantly, listen more carefully. Our Introduction to Acting workshop teaches the delivery skills so important in communicating in today's world through improvisation, characterization, and performance skills. During the workshop, we use a mixture of drama games, improv, characterization, role play, and script work. And this course is not just about teaching the invaluable skills to be learned from the performing arts for the purposes of acting, rather how these skills can be used in a day-to-day setting. And the aim of the workshop is to encourage students in building confidence, learning how to become more assertive, problem-solving skills, development of empathy, improvement of delivery skills, vocal skills, and team building. Our final day workshop is to help students to improve their communication and public speaking. According to most studies, people's #1 fear is public speaking. And learning how to become a competent public speaker and good communicator is vital in today's environment and can go on to set you apart from your colleagues out in the business world. The fear of public speaking is something which holds many people back from really reaching their full potential. And our practical workshops cover the following areas: nerves and how to use them, how to engage your audience, delivery skills, how to make what you're saying interesting, the structure of your speech, and our teachers will work with students in helping them to pinpoint their strengths and weaknesses and how to become a better communicator. Now we're going to take a look at our term workshops, and these culminate with an end of term exam with the Leinster School, where the students receive feedback and certification for their participation in these courses. The aim of the speech and drama exam is to develop the candidate's understanding of poetry, prose, drama, mime, and improv, and to develop their voice and introduce them to the theory of good speech. These grades can run from intro to certificate, and the student is examined on the following: presentation, poetry, drama, theory, prepared and unprepared reading, improv, mime, and have a question and answer at the end of each of the exam on their pieces. There are three options in our drama category: solo acting, duologues, and group drama. These exams have been designed to introduce the students to drama and literature, and they concentrate solely on the art of performance. The syllabus allows the candidate the freedom to be as creative and adventurous as they wish by mixing both modern and classical drama with improv and mime. Students can take this exam from the age of 12, and they work on their presentation, drama, modern and classical, mime, Shakespeare, improv, sight reading, and once again, a discussion on their pieces. The public speaking exam is designed to develop a student's speaking and people skills, which prove invaluable to candidates in both their personal and professional lives. Grade by grade, the students develop skills in communication and confidence in conversing in both the public and private areas. Students are taught the skills necessary to structure and present their talks, and the importance of good projection, audibility, rate and pace in public speaking, amongst other techniques associated with this exam. Students again can take this from the age of 12, and they're examined on a selection of the following: a formal talk, prepared reading, poetry, unprepared reading, social speech, formal introductions, and again, a discussion at the end. The effective communication exam has been designed to encourage students to explore their creativity and to develop their communication skills. It gives candidates the chance to express themselves through their own personal work. These exams are super at building confidence in children and developing interpersonal skills that will stand to them not only at secondary level, especially with the CBAs in the junior cycle programme, but also later in college and out in the work environment. This option also includes an exam specifically designed for transition year students, offering the candidates a chance to work on interview preparation and speaking skills. And we're going to look a little bit further at this. So this is the transition year programme, and this is a breakdown of the schedule of marks for the exam. The examiner takes on the role of the interviewer in this situation, and the student takes on the role of the interviewee. So the teacher will work with the student on their presentation skills, and that entails how they dress for their interview, how they present their letter and CV to the interviewer, and how they are expected to greet the interviewer in an appropriate manner. The teacher will also work with them on their letter of application and the information that this should contain. They'll also work on their CV and working on that all material must be neat and legible, and what the letter and what the CV should contain. The candidates will be expected to enter a jobs interview situation, and the teacher will prepare them with responses to the questions that they may face. The students will be expected to deliver a prepared talk on any subject that interests them in the interview situation. And the teacher will also work with them on how to structure this and the use of visual aids to enhance their work. There is a time limit for this, and that's 3 minutes. And finally, the teacher will work with them on prepared reading skills. The students will choose a passage from a book of their choice, and the teacher works with them on the rules for reading aloud to an audience. So if you decide to hold one of our workshops, we will support you to the best of our ability, and our team is here to assist you. So if you would like further information, contact Karen and Kirsty in the office, and they will be able to give you the name of a local teacher available to you. If you decide to hold one of our term workshops, we can facilitate you with an end of term exam. Even in the current climate, we can offer these online and have plenty of experience in doing this. Even before the pandemic, we were already offering classes online and exams to students abroad in countries like the US and India. And we have different ways in which to host your exams at the moment, with a live Zoom or a pre-recording option available to your school. Students will receive detailed feedback from the examiner after their exam in the form of a report card and a certificate of their achievement, and in some cases a medal or a nomination for the Excellence Awards. And this can be put on the students' CVs for their future. So we believe the student here at the LSMD is at the centre of everything we do. We encourage our students during our classes, our workshops, and the exam process, and will do everything we can to bring out the best in each of them. We want them to leave us with a sense of achievement and pride in themselves and their hard work, and be proud to receive their certification from the Leinster School. If you would like further information, please email us on leinster.school@griffith.ie, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you very much for listening to me, and if I can be of any assistance and answer any of your questions, I'd be delighted to.